One drink a day can have some benefits. What we know is that it can decrease your risk of heart disease, and specifically it may decrease some of the inflammation in your body and also your likelihood of developing blood clots. Now, if you start to overdo it, those benefits quickly get erased by the impact on your liver, by other organs in your body, and even your brain. The problem with alcohol is if you're trying to watch your calories, drinking your calories is the worst thing you can do. If you're drinking a glass a day, you're drinking roughly 1,000 calories a week. So if you drink 2,000 calories a week, you're getting close to half a pound a week of additional weight just from the alcohol. I think there are some golden rules when it comes to drinking. Obviously, you don't want to drink too much. Too much for a man, over 14 drinks a week. For a woman, 7 drinks a week. You never want to mix it with other medications or other drugs, and you never want to get behind the wheel. But a little bit of alcohol, every single day even, can help you live to 100.